This video is to teach you how to create discussions. If you're an administrator of your community within this executive task force, meaning that if you are the chair of one of the subcommittees, you'll be able to create discussions in the main forum of the community, which basically you would go over to where it says discussion, click on new post. I would name it, if you are specifically going to have a discussion that is specifically to technology task force, but you want everybody to get involved, or you just name the discussion that you're having around the topic. So let's say technology task force and then contact management. We want to have this discussion, when you create it here, can be seen by every person that's enrolled. That means staff and faculty is the people we're going to enroll in this. They cannot add a post like this or as an initial post, but they can respond to it. So anything that you post out here in the discussions can be seen by everybody. So this will be an overall discussion that would be had across the board within all of the within all of the committees, and then it can be also spoken into by the people, the students that are in. That means the staff and faculty that are not in these groups. Most likely they will probably not enter those discussions, but at least they can see it and they can put their input if they wanted to. So that gives a good transparency for everybody that's in staff and faculty. So once that's posted, you would put something in here. You want to type a question that says, what do you think about our current contact management? Let's actually spell it right. We want to put that out there. Go to the bottom, click submit, and that discussion is there for everyone to see. They can participate in that across the board, including you as administrators, including your members of your committees, and the staff and faculty that are not in those committees. You also want to be able to create discussions within each of your groups. So what I have done is created groups for you. Right now, only the Technology Task Force group is created, but I'll create all of the groups for you. You can go in and add each of the members that you need to that are in that specific committee. But for now, we're just going to talk about how to do the discussion. So I created a discussion group that has these members in the group itself. And then in the discussion area, I have created, just like I did before, where you have a new post, I have created a discussion that is specific to Technology Task Force. Only the Technology Task Force will be able to see this and participate in this. In this case, I just put test, but in a normal case, you would have a specific discussion that the Technology Task Force needs to talk about before the next meeting. So that's how you create discussions. And the outside discussion, as you first get into the community, that discussion on the front page, so if you go back to course home, just as a review, this discussion is seen by everybody that is going to be enrolled, including your committee members and the staff and all staff and faculty. And then those discussions within your groups are the ones that only your specific committee sees.